go back to this work, the to-do, and see how you can integrate it into the application. Okay, all right. So I'll close this one, and I'll close this one, and I'll close. Okay, so if you haven't downloaded this to-do HTML, download it and you can open it. You can just drag it and put it here to open as a new tab. But because I already have it here, I'll just tap on it. It is not part of our work. Look, it's not part of our project. It's just outside this folder. There's a sub-file in here. So this is where our files are. So okay. And when I open it, this is what I see. There are some scripts and everything here. So this, assuming that you have your template and you want it to you want to initialize it like this using the CLI, there are very ways you can do that. But I believe this could be the simplest way you can go about it. In other Vue components UI, you'll be able to just import those things from here when you install them, like Vue Bootstrap, Vue Material, Vue Awesome. There are a lot of stuff. When we start this, when you just get a basic, and then as we progress, you would actually enjoy using Vue.js. Okay, so the to-do, I'll double click on it and then open this index from the public folder, which I've already opened here. So first of all, I need to make sure that I have copied the link here. So I'll just copy Ctrl+C, and then I'll just put it in the header file. Okay, so I have it in the header file. Let me just cover this so you can see more of it. And then I go to the bottom. You have some script here. Go to the end of it and then Ctrl+C to copy. And then get to our bottom. You can place it above. It still work. Just okay. Alright, so it won't interfere with anything. And then when you're done, you just save. Notice what is going to happen when I save. Because of the watch, it just reloaded, and as it's reloaded, our font has changed, and you can see that it has been applied successfully. So okay, now what we're going to do here, we don't need the main JS. I'll close it, and now we have put our links and then the script that we have to put here above this div, and that is what we have done. And so I'll close it. You're not going there again. And where we have to go is to open the app.vue. And so when you open the app.vue, see, this is for every template. This is what is going to happen for any Vue template. This is what you need to know. There are three things that you are going to put in there. The first one is the template. Where is it going to contain the tag? We'll talk about it. And then the second one is the script, the style which is going to be applied to your view. You can actually add an attribute called scoped. And when you do this, these styles will be applied to only this tag, the tags in this template. And so we look at it as we progress. And so the third thing you can add is the script, which is very important. They are very important. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, first of all, this is what we're going to do. For every template, you need to make sure that there's only one root element. And so if here there's only one root element, if I add another element, let's say div, and I close it, see that I'm having a problem. And if I put it here, say div element has no special meaning at all. It's represent children. It can be used with class, blah 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 blah. But I think this is what I wanted you to see. The template root requires exactly one element, and therefore you can have two elements. So this template, okay, requires just one root element, which we already have here. So you need to just clear it off, and that is one of the importance of the ES lint, is trying to give you the error that you have with the standard rule that we have applied, which comes very handy. Okay, so what we are going to do here, okay, first of all, there is a link here. Okay, what is happening? We're not going to we're not going to do the view router for now. So what I want you to do is just to take off this one, the navigation. You can just comment it, and then the view router where we're going to place the main view for our work. So okay, fine. What is going to happen is this. First of all, let's create a page, okay, and call it home page. Fine. If we create a page, let's see, to do. Let's call it task. So you can right click on it, or you can select and then click on the file, create a new file, and call it task.view. So we've created a new view file. And when you create a new view file, what are we going to do with this? We'll come back to it shortly. Let's prepare our main layout or master template first. So you have this root element, and we go to the to-do, and the to-do has a navigation. So you just copy and paste it inside this place. Okay, inside this place, and we need to clean some few stuff that we're not going to need now, but later we'll need them. So I left them there like that. Okay, so good. And so let's save and see what is going to happen. When I save and I quickly move to the page, look at what is going to happen. Yeah, that's what I wanted to see. I think it's because we had moved it here, so we didn't see anything. So now we have the nav, which is here. Okay, and we even have the search here. So it is as easy and simple like that. And so